everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another video, and in this video right here I'm going to be telling you guys about 5 of the best designer bags that are out right now and are under $1,000. Okay, so I think that a lot of people don't realize that you can get some really nice bags under $1,000, and I think that anything under $1,000 is definitely a good price point for a designer bag. So if you guys are interested in purchasing any of these bags, there will be links for you in the description bar. So before I go ahead and get into this list, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you do like luxury goods as much as I do. I do put out videos every Sunday, okay? So let's go ahead and get straight into it. First up, we do have the Gucci Marmont small shoulder bag. And if you're familiar with this bag, you do know that they do have the leather version, which does come in multiple colors. And then they also have a mini version of the leather version. I did have that in black, but I did end up selling that bag. But right now they do have this bag in the original GG, in the canvas, and the black. Okay, so I think that if you have been interested in this bag, then this is definitely something to take a look at, because this is new and this is the small size, so you can fit your everyday essentials in this bag. And you do have the strap, it is adjustable, and I just think that this is a nice looking bag and it's different. I don't think that you're gonna see a whole lot of people with this bag, especially since it just came out, but it's definitely something to look into. Okay, so next up we have another bag from Gucci, and this is their GG Ophidia Supreme mini bag, and this bag is $950, and this bag is gorgeous. The Ophidia print is so classic and it just makes your outfits look so much better. I do have an Ophidia crossbody bag myself and I absolutely love it. And again, this is a mini bag, so you're not going to be able to get a whole lot in it, but if you are someone that does not carry a lot day to day, this may work for you. It does say that it's 7 by 5 by 2, so you can pretty much fit your phone in here, your keys, and maybe a small wallet, but you're not going to be able to get much. But some people don't carry a lot, so it may work for them. And again, it's just a gorgeous bag. You have the adjustable strap, so you can adjust it, based off of your height. And I definitely think that this is a good one to watch. If this size doesn't work for you, they do have bigger sizes, but of course they are going to be over $1,000. Next up, we have the YSL Lay 61 leather camera bag, and this bag runs for $995, and I actually had this bag on my list at one point. I was considering it when I was looking for an all black camera bag, and I think that this bag is gorgeous, and I think that it's different, just the style of it. A lot of the YSL camera bags are so dressy, and I think that this is a little bit more casual, and I also like the shape of this one. Everybody does not like that square shape of a camera bag. I think that this one looks different, and as far as the size of it, it's still about the same as the camera bags that are square shaped. It is 8 by 5 by 2, so it's not a whole lot of room. But again, these camera bags are not meant to fit a whole lot. But again, if you do not carry much, you can put your everyday essentials in here, or you can use this bag for date night. So yeah, I definitely think that this is a gorgeous bag, and they do have other colors on the YSL website. Next up, we have the Prada Nylon bucket bag, and this bag is $990, and I've been eyeing this bag for quite some time, but I just couldn't bring myself to get it because of the fact that it's nylon, and to me, almost $1,000 for a nylon bag is a bit much, but nevertheless, still a gorgeous bag, and they have multiple colors on Prada.com. Another good thing about this bag is you do have a short strap where you can carry it handheld or in the crook of your arm, and then you have the long strap, which is adjustable, where you can carry this bag crossbody. And this bag does have the drawstring, and you can pretty much fit quite a bit in there, being that it is a bucket bag. I think that this is a gorgeous bag. You can go ahead and pay a few extra dollars and get the leather version. I think they have one that's $13, and then they have some that go all the way up to $1,900, so you can definitely check those out. But if you're looking to just start off with a designer bag and you like this style, then this is definitely one that you could consider. Last but not least, we do have a tote bag, and this is the Versace logo canvas tote bag, and this bag runs for $775, and I think that this is definitely something to consider because spring and summer is coming up, and a lot of people will be traveling, and whether you're doing like a day trip or you're catching a flight somewhere for a few days, this is definitely a good bag to use as a carry-on, and it is pretty affordable, and they do have multiple colors. I will link other sites where they have other colors besides this white and black color, but this is a pretty big bag. You do get the open top, and they do have a pocket on the inside, and again, you can just throw your stuff in, use this for a carry-on or use it for work or whatever you need to use it for. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today, and I will do another video like this with a few more bags, and you guys can go ahead and comment below and let me know what type of bags you'd like to see, or if you're going to consider any of these bags. So as usual, I thank you guys so much for watching. All links are in the description bar for you guys, and I hope that you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.